Hi all, welcome to JJ Coders. In this video, we will learn about what is switch statement in C language and how to use it. Switch is alternative to long if-else statement in C programming, but it is only suitable to check the direct values. The syntax of the switch statement includes four main keywords: switch, case, break, and default. To create a switch statement, add a switch keyword, and then within the function bracket you can provide a integer or character variable, and within the switch block you can create one or many cases, and finally a default case. Each case will have a value to compare, and within the case statement you can add your set of statements. At the end of the statement, we have to provide a break keyword. It indicates the end of the case statement. The default block of the switch statement should be always added at the end of the switch statement. It's like a else block of the switch statement. If none of the above cases are satisfied, finally the default block will be executed. Let's see this with an example program. In the VS Code, let me create a C program named switch.c. Let's include the header file stdio.h to use the printf and scanf. I'm creating the main function of the program. Within the main function, in the declaration part, I'm declaring an integer variable option. Next, I'm adding a printf statement to display choose any one food item. I'm adding another printf to display underline to the previous printf. I'm adding another printf to display 1 pizza, 2 sandwich, 3 burger, 4 bread omelette. I have added /n at the end of each item so that it will display line by line. I am adding another printf to display enter your option. So these four printf will display a menu like item in the console output. Next, I am adding a scanf to read the value for the option. After reading the value, I am creating a switch statement. For the switch statement, I am passing the value of option. And within the switch block, I am creating the case 1. Within the case 1, I am adding a printf to display you have chosen pizza. As per the switch case, if the option has the value 1, then case 1 block will be executed. The break keyword mentions the end of the case block. Similarly, I am adding the cases for 2, 3 and 4 with the respective printf statement. Not to mention, we must have break keyword at the end of each cases. After creating all the cases, I should add a default case. In the default block, I am adding a printf statement to display invalid option. The default block should be always at the end of the switch statement. Now I am adding the return 0 at the end of the main function. Let's save the program, and to compile it, let me open the VS Code terminal by pressing Ctrl J. In the terminal, I am typing gcc space switch.c and then pressing enter to compile the program. And to run it, in the same terminal window, type /a.exe. Now the console output displays a menu and asking me to enter an option. I am giving option 1. The case 1 executed and displayed you have chosen pizza. Similarly, for different option, you can see the various output, even the invalid option. This is one example how you can use switch statement in the C. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Also please subscribe if you are new to this channel.